Hello, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to upload a property in LeaderMLS. The platform is designed to be easy to use, so even if it's your first time, you will have your listing up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the listings page, and you will see a button that says Add New Listing. Go ahead and click that. LeaderMLS makes this really easy. Start by typing in the address of your listing. As you type, results will automatically appear. Select the correct address from the drop-down list. Perfect. Once the address is selected, you will need to confirm that this information is correct. Then you can select the exact location on the map. Next, select whether the property is for sale or for rent. Then enter your listing price. Now, fill in the property details. These include things like property type, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and any other relevant specifications. Now head over to the photos section. You can drag and drop your images directly into the page to upload them quickly and easily. If you have a video tour, you can add it here by using a YouTube video link. This is a great way to give potential buyers or renters a more immersive look at the property. Finally, use this section to add more amenities or features to your property. Once you finish, click on Save. And that's it! Your property is now ready to be published on LeaderMLS. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you!